Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's detailed tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money online using Western Union in 2026, step by step, whether you're sending money locally or internationally. This guide is beginner friendly, but also detailed enough so you understand fees, speed, safety, and common mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1, create your account, right? Go to Western Union, right? Click register or sign up, enter your full name, must match ID, email address, phone number, and create a password. Use real details. You may need to verify your identity later. Now start a new transfer. Once logged in, all you gotta do is just hit send money, right? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select a destination, right? Let's say Bosnia and Herzegovina. Continue. And let's say I want to send 16,500. Okay. The system will automatically show fees and exchange rate. You can pay, of course, via MetaCard, which is the local debit or credit card. Right? And choose the delivery method. You will see multiple options depending on the country. So in my case, it's only allowed to send via a debit or credit card, but in terms of delivery, you can choose cash pickup or bank account. Cash pickup means the receiver collects money from an agent, usually available within minutes. Bank transfer, on the other hand, sent directly to receiver's bank account, takes 1 to 3 business days. In mobile wallet, it will be sent to apps like mobile wallet, often instant. Beginners usually choose cash pickup for simplicity, or bank transfer. Step 4, enter recipient or receiver's detail, right? If you logged in, enter the receiver's detail, like the full name, country, phone number. For bank transfers, bank name, account number, right? Double check everything. Errors can delay or block that transfer. And then choose, of course, the payment method. In my case, I'm paying with my local MetaCard, right? Which is that credit or debit card. And bank transfer, which you can do also, depending on the country. Card payments are instant but may have higher fees. Now review the fees and exchange rate. Before confirming, check transfer fee, exchange rate, see final amount receiver will get. This step is important. Costs vary depending on the method and country. And then confirm and send money, right? You're done. Your transfer is now processed. Step 8, get your MTCN number. After sending, you will receive an MTCN number, right? Which stands for Money Transfer Control Number. This is critical. You can share it with the receiver. They need it to collect money, right? If they're gonna collect money from an agent. Step 9, track your transfer. Use the tracking tool in Western Union here to track a transfer, right? Enter the MTCN, which combines of the 10-digit tracking number, and check status. Status, for example, in progress, available for pickup, completed. Step 10, receiver collects the money. Depending on the method, if it's cash, the receiver will visit a Western Union agent, show ID, provide MTCN. If it's a bank deposit, money goes directly to account. Cash pickup is usually the fastest. Now, as for speed, if the receiver will basically go to Western Union agent, they'll receive it in minutes. If it's a bank transfer, it will take 1 to 3 days. If it's a mobile wallet, they're gonna receive it instantly or same day, basically. Speed depends on country and payment method. So, fees depend on amount sent, destination country, and payment method. General idea: card have higher fees but faster. Bank have lower fees but slower. Always compare before sending. So, security tips here: avoid or only send to people you trust. Never share MTCN publicly. Double check receiver details. Use official Western Union platform only, and keep your receipts. Alright. So the common problem here fixes: maybe wrong receiver name. Contact support immediately to fix or cancel. Maybe transfer delayed. Check status or contact support. Maybe receiver can't collect. Then verify ID and MTCN. So avoid typing wrong name, sending to wrong country, ignoring fees, or losing MTCN, or waiting too long to fix errors. So pro tip: Use bank transfer for lower fees. Use cash pickup for speed. Send small test amount first. Track every transfer. Save receiver details for future use. So just to rewind one last time, open Western Union, enter amount in country, add receiver, pay, share MTCN. Done. Sending money online with Western Union in 2026 is actually fast, reliable, and widely available. Once you understand the process, it becomes very easy to send money anywhere in the world. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. They actually might need it, right? Maybe they're in a process, in the cusp of a process of sending money to a person, to an individual or a company or anyone, basically. So if you have the wrong receiver name, contact support immediately to fix or cancel. Maybe the transfer delayed, check status or contact support. The receiver can't collect, verify ID and MTCN. Avoid typing wrong name, sending to wrong country, ignoring fees, losing MTCN, or waiting too long to fix errors. So until next time, see you.